Hello friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a unique test on the Realme X2 device. So, which is of the reverse charging in the other smartphones using the Realme X2 device. So, because recently one of the subscribers asked me how good is the Realme X2 in terms of the reverse charging, which is charging the other smartphones, which is completely dead. So, in this test, I'll be doing the video. Even I got the stopwatch ready in the Realme X2 Pro device. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys. Sai Tech Guru will be posting a lot of interesting reviews, and do check the playlist for the Realme X2 smartphone. So where you can find a number of plenty of videos, more than 50 videos which are did on the Realme X2 device alone. So you can check the links in description for the playlist. So now let me get back to the test here. So here you can see the Realme X2 device. So let me open the exactly settings of what I'm using. So as you can see, a Realme X2 8GB and 128GB variant, and I have disabled the Wi-Fi and all the settings. So now let me connect the reverse charging cable from the Realme X2 to the Redmi K20 Pro device. So both the phones are having the 4000 mAh of battery capacity. So that's why I thought of choosing the Redmi K20 Pro device, not any other phone. As you can see right now, the phone is of completely dead, 0%. And let me plug the USB Type-C cable right now, and let's see what happens right now. And before continuing the test, don't forget to turn on this OTG connection as well. So if you doesn't turn on the OTG connection, there won't be anything displaying on the Redmi K20 Pro device. So you need to definitely turn on the OTG connection. So as you can see friends, right now the phone is getting charged, the Redmi K20 Pro. Again after 1 hour exactly to check the how much percentage it got charged. So as you can see friends, it's been exactly 1 hour charging the Redmi K20 Pro device using the Realme X2 device. So let's check both the phones percentage, how much it is right now in the phone. So right now it's a 45%. So let's check the percentage in the 46%. So as you can see guys, both the phones are battery percentage, how much it is after charging for 1 hour continuously. So I'll still continue the test until the battery completely gets drained in the Realme X2 device. So we'll get to know how long it actually takes to transform a 4000 capacity of battery to the Redmi K20 Pro device. So how much final percentage we'll see in the Redmi K20 Pro phone. So this type of test definitely I'll be doing with the other smartphones as well guys. So do comment below in the description. So if you want to do this kind of reverse charging test in other smartphones, do comment below what smartphones you want me to do. Finally friends, as you can see exactly at 1 hour and 40 minutes, the battery in the Realme X2 is completely dead, 0%. So as you can see this, and let's check right now how much charge it is in the Redmi K20 Pro. You can see 72%. So overall you got only transformed from 100% to the only 72%, and 30% is not transformed completely from the Realme X2 to the Redmi K20 Pro device. So this is overall charging, reverse charging in the Realme X2 device to the Redmi K20 Pro phone. And now the phone is completely dead. So overall you can the Redmi Note K20 Pro got transformed to 72% from 100% from the Realme X2 device. So these are overall reverse charging test in the Realme X2 phone. So for maybe for couple of minutes you can charge your friends devices using the Realme X2 device, but not hours. So this will be for the emergency purpose only. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and don't forget to check the playlist as well. See you in the next video guys, and then stay tuned. Bye.